Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, headlights auto off, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.